Hello everybody, welcome back to Channel ANZ Machinery, the heart of motion, Alfing Kessler Machine Factory, wherever engines power movement, crankshafts play a pivotal role. At Alfing Kessler Machine Factory, crankshafts are not only our core competence but also our passion. For over 100 years we have specialized in crafting this central component of the combustion engine. As an independent family business with 1,250 dedicated employees, we operate flexibly across 3 business areas. Guided by long-term thinking and a customer-first approach, we invite you to discover our expertise. Crankshafts like ours are unparalleled, built on a century of experience and the production of over 250 unique large crankshaft types annually. Our capabilities include forging crankshafts up to approximately 4.5 meters in length in our die forge. Here, cutting-edge technology meets traditional craftsmanship to ensure precision at every step. For even larger crankshafts, up to 8 meters long, we use stroke-by-stroke forging, requiring expertise honed over decades. With a pressing force of 3,500 tons, raw parts are meticulously formed. Preliminary and intermediate processing is performed on advanced CNC rotary milling machines with integrated process measurement, ensuring flawless execution. Surface treatments, including induction and impact hardening, enhance strength and durability. Custom-designed machinery allows us to achieve tolerances within thousandths of a millimeter. Our in-house classification tests and preservation processes ensure each crankshaft is ready for seamless installation. At Alfing Kessler, crankshaft development is a collaborative process. Through simultaneous engineering with our customers, we optimize performance, cost, and design even before production begins. From idea to prototype to ready-to-install series production, all services from research and simulation to material analysis and testing are performed on-site. Our torsion and bending test benches provide critical data, enabling rapid prototype creation in specialized facilities. Induction hardening is a key to crankshaft performance, and we lead the way with innovative modular hardening machines. Optimized for flexibility, investment efficiency, energy use, and space requirements, over 500 of our hardening machines are in operation worldwide. This expertise ensures our customers benefit from premium quality crankshafts delivered quickly and efficiently. Whether for inline engines, boxer engines, or W engines, we produce high-quality crankshafts in flexible production lines. With portal loaders, robots, and highly automated processes, we deliver premium crankshafts just in time to customers worldwide. Competence is no accident. At Alfing Kessler, we prioritize the careful training of the next generation to ensure our standards endure. For over a century, we have exemplified excellence, innovation, and commitment. Alfing Kessler Machine Factory, where engineering knowledge, experience, and state-of-the-art production come together to create the heart of the combustion engine. Incredible crankshaft turning and heavy machining process. Crankshaft turning and heavy machining represent the pinnacle of precision engineering. These processes are critical in crafting high-performance components for engines and industrial machinery, ensuring durability and efficiency. The VDF boring or VDF 221 quart is a standout in this domain, excelling in crankshaft turning operations such as Opus 19 and Op 110. Its advanced capabilities enable seamless machining with exceptional accuracy, even for intricate operations. By combining cutting-edge technology with robust construction, this machine ensures reliable performance in handling complex crankshaft profiles. Another marvel is the Super NTJ, which specializes in mini crankshaft machining. Despite its compact size, the Super NTJ delivers unparalleled precision, making it ideal for small-scale crankshafts used in compact engines. Its innovative design allows for meticulous processing, meeting the stringent requirements of high-performance applications. Both machines showcase the extraordinary fusion of engineering expertise and technological innovation. Crankshaft turning and machining involve grinding, shaping, and finishing processes that demand extreme precision to maintain alignment and balance. These operations are essential for optimal engine performance, reducing friction, and enhancing longevity. The meticulous work done by machines like the VDF boring or VDF 221 CT and Super NTJ highlights the transformative impact of advanced machining technology. They pave the way for greater efficiency, reliability, and innovation across industries, ensuring that the backbone of engine systems, the crankshaft, is always up to the task. Next, super heavy turning with Seiko tools. 25-ton rotor shaft machining experience. Precision engineering with Seiko tools as a 25-ton wind power rotor shaft undergoes high-performance machining. Watch this impressive demonstration of long time in cut turning, showcasing a remarkable feed rate of 2 millimeters. This machining feat is powered by the SCMT38, a cost-effective screw-clamped positive insert. Paired with the advanced Duratomic TP0500 coating, it delivers exceptional wear resistance, even under extreme heat generated during prolonged cutting operations. The result? Reliable performance and superior material removal rates, MRR, that redefine efficiency. Seiko Tools' innovative solutions make overcoming metal cutting challenges seamless. Whether working with castings, forgings, or demanding materials like superalloys, our tools ensure secure and productive turning and profiling. Discover how we make it easy to achieve precision and productivity in heavy-duty applications. Watch now for insights into our expertise in machining super large components with confidence and cost-effectiveness.